Hello students of standard 9. Now we will see definition of trapezium. Trapezium. When only one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is parallel, then quadrilateral is called trapezium. In this figure, quadrilateral ABCD is given. Here AB is parallel to DC. That's why it is a trapezium. But remember, AD is not parallel to BC. See here, side AB parallel to DC. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. Now, angle A and D, and second pair angle B and C. Angle A, angle D, and second pair angle B and angle C. These are the pairs of adjacent angles. But AB is parallel to DC, that's why A and D are interior angles, B and C are interior angles, and we know interior angles are supplementary. Therefore, by property of parallel lines, both the pairs of adjacent angles are supplementary. Then isosceles trapezium. Definition is, see in this figure, quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium because PQ is parallel to SR. But PS and QR are not parallel, but these two are congruent sides. See the identical marks. And if non-parallel sides are congruent, then the quadrilateral is an isosceles trapezium. See definition. If non-parallel sides of a trapezium are congruent, then the quadrilateral is called an isosceles trapezium. Then median of the trapezium. The segment joining the midpoints of non-parallel sides of a trapezium is called the median of the trapezium. In figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. M is midpoint of AD and N is midpoint of BC. AD and BC are non-parallel sides. Now segment joining these two midpoints is MN. It is called median of a trapezium ABCD. See here in figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to DC and AD and BC are non-parallel sides. Point M and point N are midpoints of sides AD and BC respectively. Therefore, segment is called median of trapezium ABCD. Example. Measures of angles of quadrilateral ABCD are in the ratio 4:5:7:8. Show that quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Solution. In quadrilateral ABCD, angle A is to angle B is to angle C is to angle D is equal to 4:5:7:8. Ratio of the measures of angles is given. Then we have to suppose their measures. Let measures of angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are 4x degree, 5x degree, 7x degree and 8x degree respectively. Now we know sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Therefore, 4x plus 5x plus 7x plus 8x is equal to 360. Now 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 8, 24x is equal to 360. Therefore, x is equal to 360 upon 24. 24 ones are 24, 15s are. Therefore, x is equal to 15. Now find measures of all angles. Angle A equal to 4x. 4x means 4 into 15, 60 degree. Angle B 5x, 5 into 15, 75 degree. Angle C 7x. 7x means 7 into 15, 105 degree. Angle D 8x is equal to 8 into 15, 120 degree. Now take addition of angle B and angle C equal to 75 plus 105, 180 degree. So angle B and C are supplementary. See in the figure, angle B plus angle C 180. They are interior angle. That's why AB is parallel to DC. So side DC or CD is parallel to side BA, number 1. Then angle B plus angle E, 75 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 135 degree. It is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, side BC and side AD are not parallel, number 2. Now from 1 and 2, one pair is parallel, other pair is not parallel. Means quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Solve this example in your Maths 2 notebook.